Here we go again.
Here we go again. Hedgehog's Homestead.
Hi.
He's back for the weekend. We're gonna go kind of have a day where we're gonna check out a chair for him. His chair hurts him. So
after working all week at the salt mines, I need something comfortable to sit in when I come home. And this chair that I have just kind of does this. It's flat, doesn't kind of angle like so your back kind of can't come into it. It's pretty much a POS for an $1,800 POS.
So we're gonna sell that chair and get a new one for him. So we're gonna go over to Lazy Boy and then go have some fun. Just me.
Well, we might not, because if we have a chair in the back, or we might just have to come back for it. In other words, buy it and go over, do our thing, and then come back and pick it up.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we're not gonna take it around, leave it in Trashville.
Yeah.
You know, it wouldn't last there long.
No. All right, so we'll see you guys around. See you in the next clip. Bye.
Okay. Feels heavy.
Feels heavy.
From North Houston, Texas.
Yeah, don't show the address.
I'm not.
They may not want everybody to know their address.
Well, they probably don't. Looks like some stickers. Sending you some hedgehogs.
Aww.
Hope this finds you doing well. Thank you so much for your support of our channel and all others that you follow. Have an awesome week. Much love, Lisa
And Jesse.
and Jesse.
Yeah.
I was trying to make out that. That's very nice.
That is cool. Is that a sticker? Or?
No, it's a card.
It's just a card. That's cool.
And here's some nice, I like their stickers.
Yeah.
Those are, and a magnet.
Cool.
That's cool. Very nice. Yeah, I like that.
That is cool.
It's a really nice logo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much.
Yep.
We appreciate it.
All right, Lazy Days, I'm going to put you right in the middle of my sticker board since you are right in the middle of a lot of channels and helping out a lot of people. So you're going to go right in the middle. Love it. Very good quality sticker, by the way, too. So thank you so much. That's so sweet. Bye. There you go. You're on the fridge, too. Thank you, guys. They're they're great stickers.
Yeah, they're nice. Thank you.
We appreciate it. God bless. See you next time. Go visit Jesse and Lisa's channel at Lazy Days Ahead. Right there. Look for their logo. They're a great channel. They have a lot of fun, and they're a good supporter of the community. God bless.
Arrivederci.
Bye.
Okay.